Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Agoda customer care. If you booked a hotel or a flight on Agoda and need help, this video will show you exactly how to contact Agoda customer care using an iPhone. First, open the Agoda app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, tap Booking. At the bottom, find the booking you need help with and tap on it. This is important because Agoda gives faster help when support is linked to a specific booking. Now scroll down and look for the help customer support or need help. Tap on it, you will see a few options. That easiest one is chat with customer support. Tap the chat option. Explain your issues in simple words and send it. A support agent will apply and guide step by step. If chat is not available, look for an option that says call Agoda or contact us. Agoda shows different phone number depending on your country. Tap the number and your iPhone will call Agoda customer care directly. Always have your booking ID, email and traveling detail ready. This customer help care assist you fast. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.